Burel, Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning? It is an English surname that developed from a nickname denoting a person with reddish-brown hair or complexion, from the Middle English and Old French words burel, borel, or burel, meaning reddish-brown. The word was also used to denote a coarse woolen cloth of this color, so an alternate theory suggests the surname may be occupational, denoting a maker of cloth called a bureller. Early bearers included Radulphus, Ranulph, William, and Benald Borel. In Normandy, France, documented around the year 1180 AD. There was a Roger Burrell in Wiltshire, England in 1194, and an Emma Burrell, documented in Norfolk, England in the year 1273. Noble titles held included the Burel Baronetcy of West Grinstead Park in the County of Sussex, a title created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1766 for Sir Merrik Burrell, a Member of Parliament for Great Marlow and Governor of the Bank of England, second son of Peter Burrell. And here we see the family estate of West Grinstead Park. Sir Peter Burrell, the second baronet, was a Member of Parliament for Boston and Haslemere. He was elevated to the peerage in 1796 as Baron Gwyder. And here we see the house that was built for him around the year 1772, the townhouse. They also held the Baronetcy of Valentine House in the County of Sussex. It's created for the Raymond family, but it was inherited by a son-in-law of the family, Sir William Burrell, born 1732, an English antiquarian, director of the South Sea Company, and he was the third son of Peter Burrell of Beckenham in County Kent. Here we see a list of the Burrell baronets of Valentine House, all the way through the 9th baronet, who died in 2008. And on the right, we see a etching of Sir Charles Merrik Burrell, 3rd baronet, who died in 1862. And the family estate was Knepp Castle, the modern version. Landed gentry families included Burrell of Broome Park in County Northumberland, England, represented in the 19th century by Brian Burrell, Esquire. He was Justice of the Peace, Deputy Lieutenant, High Sheriff, and Captain of the 4th Dragoon Guards. Notables included Walter Burrell, born 1777, a Conservative politician and Member of Parliament for Sussex. Vice Admiral Sir Henry Mackay Burrell, born 1904, a Senior Commander in the Royal Australian Navy. Martin Burrell, born 1858, a Member of Parliament in Canada for the constituency of Yale. Ellen Louisa Burrell, born 1850, an American mathematics professor, head of the mathematics department at Wellesley College in 1897 to 1916. Percy Jewett Burrell, born 1877, an American author and director of historical and civic pageants. Known for his oratory and elocution, he also taught public speaking and drama and was known as the public reciter. Last slide, early settlers to the New World included George Burrell in Massachusetts in 1630. John and Sarah came to Massachusetts in 1635. Thomas Burrell arrived in Virginia in 1638. Elizabeth and William Burrell came to Virginia in 1648. Robert came to Virginia in 1654. Ralph Burrell came to Maryland in 1664. And John and Anne Burrell arrived in Maryland in the year 1673. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.